All right, problem number 6. Problem number 6 has some information that you have not learned how to do. Some people would know how to do this one. We have not gotten to this yet, so I'm going to have to solve a little bit of this one for you. So you can ignore the solving of this. We need to have this radius right here, and we don't have it. We just have this angle. So I'm just going to solve this part for you, so you can ignore this, okay? We're going to do some math that you haven't learned yet. It's called trigonometry, and we're going to solve for this right here. So when I have an angle, what I can do is I can look at the opposite side over the adjacent side as far as the right triangle goes. And so the tangent would then be 66. A tangent of 66 degrees equals the opposite side over the adjacent side. I'll make that x. And then we're going to solve for x. And so x equals 18 over tangent 66. On my calculator, I'm going to hit 18 divided by, and then there's a tan button, tangent 66, and then I hit equals, and I get 8.014. And so I'm going to write this right down here, 8.014, and it was millimeters, so it's millimeters. All right, so ignore all that. Pretend like it didn't happen. That was all in the mind of Mr. Harmless, right? Mr. Harmless over here was thinking about this. I just solved this. Now for you. Okay, so now we're ready. Ignore that. Here we go. So we've got this side here is 8.014. We've got the height of 18. And we're going to give you the formula for the volume of a cone. 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay, area of the base times the height. And so we're going to take this volume equals 1/3. And since the base of a cone is a circle, instead of writing area of the base as a b, I can put the area of the base like this, pi r squared, because that's the area of a circle, times the height. We do have the radius is 8.014, so let's put 1/3 times pi times 8.014 squared, that's the radius squared, and then the height of 18. And so now we just multiply these together and come up with our answer. So 1/3, 1 divided by 3 in parentheses, times pi times 8.014 squared times 8.014 squared, and then times 18, and hit enter, and I get 1,210.59, which would be 1,210.6, and it's in millimeters, so it'd be millimeters cubed. And that is the answer to that question.